You're watching how to find your phone number on Android. Open the Settings application on your device, which is typically represented by a gear icon. Scroll down through the menu options until you find the section labeled About Phone or About Device. The exact wording may vary slightly by manufacturer. Tap on About Phone to open it. Within this menu, look for an entry called Status or Phone Status and select it. Here you will find detailed information about your device, including network, battery, and identity. Look for the entry labeled My Phone Number, SIM Status, or Phone Number. Your mobile number should be displayed clearly in this field. If the field is empty, your number may not be programmed on. The SIM card. Another method is to open your phone or dialer app. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings or Call Settings. Look for an option like My Number, SIM card settings, or Additional settings. Your number should be listed there. You can also call or text from another phone to see your number on the caller ID. As a last resort, check the documentation or packaging of your SIM card, as the number is sometimes printed there. This information is stored on the SIM, so it should be accessible if the SIM is properly inserted and activated. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.